What's up guys, I'm On. Today I'm going to show you guys how to web still off things, off obstacle, not on ground. So before you guys try this, make sure you guys do it somewhere safe, like an open gym. Make sure you guys warmed up, if you guys have mats or a gym or sand, anyone that's safe before you guys try outside so you guys don't get hurt. It's all about progressions, safety's first. So I'm going to show you guys one and we'll get started right away. So after you... Alright, that's a web stick. So before you guys do this, make sure you guys find like an obstacle. Not too high, not too low. Maybe chest height, guys. Somewhere that's you're comfortable at, guys. So after you find the obstacle, then you want to get on top of it. After you get on top of the obstacle, guys, now you gotta find which leg is your strong leg, guys. My strong leg is my right leg, so I'm gonna be stitching that way. If you're the left leg is your strong leg, just do everything I say except the other way. So after you find your strong leg, the first step is you can have your feet a little bit over the obstacle. You go whatever you're comfortable. I like to have my feet a little bit over it. If you're not comfortable like that, you can have your feet, right here. After you find that, now you want to kick with your strong leg. You're gonna kick straight back as hard as you can. The harder you kick, the easier this move is gonna be. So then you're gonna be looking at the ground. So you're gonna kick as hard as you can, and I kind of have to use my hands at the same time. You're gonna kick really hard. I kind of throw my hands forwards too, like down with a motion. But this move mainly is all about how hard you kick your leg. The harder you kick the leg, the easier it's gonna be, and you're gonna rotate. So after you kick really hard, you get your hands down with a motion at the same time kick. And I like to lean. I like to lean at the same time. Then I tuck. Then you tuck. So you can start like this. I can do both ways. You can start like this, kick straight, or you can just start with your left foot in front and right foot back. Whatever you're comfortable with, since you're just starting out, do it both ways, whatever you're comfortable. It's basically the same. So after you kick really hard, you can throw your hands forward, you're gonna lean while you look on the ground, then you're gonna, after you kick over, you should be over, you're gonna tuck. Your left foot, I like to tuck underneath. You could grab it in front, wherever you're comfortable, I like to grab it underneath. Then after you tuck, you should lean forward. You should rotate after that, because you're kicking really hard. That's just kick you over. And then it's a landing, guys. Always land the ball feet. Knees slightly bent. So just a hit. Head on the flat foot, always on the ball feet. Feel that nice and sweet, you should spot your landing, feel it out. Yeah, so let's go a bit slowly, and then I'll show one last time. So you can stand over the obstacle. Or you can have your left foot in front, your right foot back, and kick however you want to do it. Stand over it, you're going to kick really hard. Throw your hands forward at the same time. Lean. Tuck, grab you underneath, or the forwards of you. I like to have my chin too, to my chest too. Chin down. You should rotate after that. Release when you feel like you're going over. Just release. You should see the ground, land nice and sweet. I'll show you guys one last time, guys. Alright, hopefully that helped you guys out. Leave a comment. I'll see you guys next time.